Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.